I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. Go straight to All Mail because archived messages live there. Type in all in, trash in, spam, then add a sender or keyword to focus results. Once done, scan subject lines quickly for familiar text or attachments. Make sure to use quotes for exact phrases and add before or after dates if the list is long. This gets you immediate matches without toggling settings, so you can act on the right message right away. Now refine the results to isolate the archived email you need. Add operators like from Alice at example. Com or subject. Invoice and narrow with before 2025/01/01 or after 2024/01/01. Once done, use the search chips under the box to filter attachments or unread messages. That reduces noise fast. Make sure to exclude sent items with select the message and click Move to Inbox to unarchive. You can also apply a label or star so it's easy to find later. Once moved, confirm it appears in Inbox and any folder labels you added. If you still can't find it, make sure filters haven't auto-archived or deleted messages, check other linked accounts and POP/AMAP settings, and search the trash and spam. If needed, repeat the precise search in All Mail with different keywords to catch variations.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.